Have you ever noticed that your baby seems to favor one breast over the other? Are you wondering why they latch onto one side but fuss or refuse the other? Well, you're not alone. This is actually a common experience for many breastfeeding moms. And today, we're going to uncover the surprising reasons behind it and what you can do to help. Stick around, because some of these might shock you. But before we dive in, let us know in the comments. Have you experienced this with your baby? Which breast does your little one prefer? Your insights can help other moms too. One of the biggest reasons your baby prefers one side: milk flow. Each breast can produce milk differently. Some babies prefer a faster flow, while others like a slower, more controlled pace. If one breast has a stronger letdown, your baby might find it easier or more comfortable to nurse on that side. If you suspect flow is the issue, try switching sides when your baby is relaxed or using breast compression to help milk flow more evenly. Did you know your baby's preference could be due to comfort? If they have a stiff neck or a slight muscle tightness, sometimes from birth, they may find it easier to turn their head in one direction over the other. This condition, called torticollis, is actually more common than you think. Try different breastfeeding positions, such as the football hold or laid-back nursing, to encourage your baby to nurse on both sides comfortably. Just like how one of your hands is stronger than the other, one breast may naturally produce more milk than the other. This can happen due to differences in milk ducts, previous nursing habits, or even past injuries. If you want to balance supply, offer the less favored side first when your baby is hungry and most eager to nurse. You can also pump that side to increase production. Babies are creatures of habit. If they've gotten used to one side, maybe because of how you positioned them early on, they might develop a strong preference over time. Gently encourage your baby to nurse from both sides by starting on their preferred side and switching mid-feed. Here's a surprising reason. Sometimes babies refuse one breast because of ear infections or teething pain. If turning their head to one side causes discomfort, they may instinctively avoid nursing on that side. If your baby suddenly refuses one breast and seems unusually fussy, check for signs of ear infections or teething and consult a pediatrician if needed. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more baby care tips. Your support helps us keep creating valuable content for moms like you. At the end of the day, a one-sided preference is completely normal, and in most cases, nothing to worry about. As long as your baby is gaining weight and getting enough milk, you're doing great. But if you ever have concerns, don't hesitate to talk to a lactation consultant or pediatrician for guidance. You've got this, Mom. Have you experienced this with your baby? What worked for you? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to check out our other breastfeeding tips linked right here. See you next time.